Hi, today I show you how to make this kind of cleaning website. This is totally free. I will give you every resource in video description. You can find a premium template, this Google Drive link, and you can find Illustrator Pro, this Google Drive link. You can download easily and you design this kind of website easily. I can show you how to create m- menu, how to create pages, so I can show everything in this video. So let's start. First of all, we add some plugin. Go plugin, add new plugin, and add our Elementor plugin. This is free version. We search here, and this is limited. Then activate. We cannot create any account. Just close it. Then we add our another plugin, Elementor Pro. You can download easily this link, this drive link. Upload plugin, choose Spike. This is my Elementor Pro. Just active plugin. Then we add our another plugin. It's called Inverter Elements. Add new plugin. No, this is Mistral now. Active now. Then we add our theme. Go appearance, then theme, then active. Hello Elementor. Click active. Then we add our zip file, premium template zip file. Go elements, click install kit, upload your zip file. You can download this drive link and click install requirements. Then close it. Then we need to add some page. I add 5 main page. We go page, then add new page. We open it new tabs. Then we add our first page, our home page. Paste here, publish it. Then click here. We add our about page. Just click add new page. Add our about page. Publish here. Click here. Add new page. Then we add our service page. Publish. Then we add our contact page. Publish. Then lastly we add our blog page. I just add this 5 page. You also add FAQ section, pricing section, service details, add new page, add blog page. Then we go our dashboard, go appearance, create, go menu. We select our menu name, main menu, then create menu. Then we import our all pages. Then we first of all we add our home page, then about page, then service page, then blog page, contact page, then save it. Our menu is complete. Then we go our service. Then we go our page, click all page. We edit our home page, click edit, add a new tab. You also edit this tab, then edit with Elementor. Just close it. Click here, page setting, change page layout, Elementor canvas, and click here. First of all, we click inside template. Then we click here. Then first we input our header. Then we add our home page. Our home page, our menu is automatically not connect. We connect our menu. Click here. Our main menu. Connect our main menu. See, our menu is visible. This is our home page, and we add our footer. Click here and add our footer. Here is our footer. This is our footer. We complete our home page and we publish it. You can edit every part. You can change icon, change text, and you can change this image. You can change everything. Here is the image. So we complete our home page and publish. Now we edit our about us page. Edit with Elementor. Click page setting, change page layout. Add our header. Then we add our about us page. Here is our about us page. We connect our menu. Then we add our footer. Here is complete our about us page. Publish about us page. Then we design our service page. We can do same thing at the page. First clicks page settings, change page layout, then click here, add header, then we connect our menu, then we add our service page. This is our service page. And change your service. We can change title, everything. Then we add our footer same way. Here is footer. We complete our service page, publish service page. Now we add our contact page. We design our contact page. Click here, change page layout. Add header. Connect our menu. Then we add our contact page. This is our contact page. Then lastly we add our footer. Mm, This is our footer complete. You can link your social media account. You can add your location, number, email. So you can edit accordingly your business and then publish it. Now lastly we design our blog page. Click here, change page layout. Click here and add header. Connect menu. Then we add our blog page. We add our blog page. Then we add our footer. We add our footer and publish. Now we publish our all pages. Now if we visit our site is blank because we miss one major setting. Go setting and click reading and click here and connect your home page and save changes. Now visit your site. You can see your website is properly showing.